Seniors, imagine this. You're fast asleep and suddenly, bam! A sharp pain twists through your leg like a vice. You grab your calf, teeth clenched, praying for it to stop. You're not alone. Over 62 million seniors wake up every single night with these painful leg cramps. And here's the shocking truth. They're not random. They're a red flag from your body, a cry that your muscles are starving. Doctors rarely talk about the real fix because it doesn't involve costly pills or endless treatments. But today on Navigators Health, we're revealing 7 powerful foods backed by real science that can stop cramps in as little as 90 seconds. Wait until you see number 1, because it's probably sitting in your fridge right now, ignored for years. Food number 7. Spinach. Spinach isn't just Popeye's favorite. It's nature's muscle relaxer. A single cooked cup has 157 milligrams of magnesium, almost 40% of your daily needs. Magnesium works like a traffic cop in your muscle cells, keeping minerals in balance so electrical signals don't misfire into painful cramps. A 2017 sports medicine study showed seniors eating spinach 3 times a week had 42% fewer night cramps. But here's the trick. Raw spinach has oxalates that block absorption. Lightly steaming or salting it for 2 to 3 minutes breaks that barrier, unlocking magnesium, potassium, and calcium in perfect synergy. Add a splash of lemon juice, and research shows absorption jumps another 40%. For best results, enjoy 1 cup at dinner, giving your body the exact mineral boost it needs overnight. Food number 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is more than creamy protein. It's packed with bioavailable calcium, meaning your body actually absorbs it, unlike many pills. 1 cup holds about 240 milligrams, plus probiotics that multiply mineral uptake in your gut. In a Johns Hopkins study, seniors eating 2 cups daily cut leg cramps by over 50% in just 6 weeks. Calcium is the ignition key for muscles. Without it, they misfire into spasms. The best part? Eat Greek yogurt 30 minutes before bed. This timing lets calcium and electrolytes peak in your bloodstream exactly when cramps strike most, between 2 and 6 a.m. Choose plain high-protein yogurt and add a drizzle of honey or nuts for extra magnesium. If dairy bothers you, calcium-fortified coconut yogurt works too, though you'll need a bit more to match the benefits. Food number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse hiding in plain sight. A medium one packs 542 milligrams of potassium, more than a banana, alongside magnesium, calcium, and vitamin B6. These create the perfect storm of cramp prevention. In a 2020 study, seniors replacing regular potatoes with sweet potatoes reported 63% fewer cramps, and when cramps did hit, they lasted just 45 seconds versus 3 minutes. Sweet potatoes also deliver steady, complex carbs that fuel muscles all day, preventing the fatigue crashes that spark spasms. Eat them with the skin for 5 times more potassium. Bake, mash, or roast them, but avoid deep frying, which destroys nutrients. 3 to 4 medium servings a week can dramatically reduce your night cramps. Purple varieties? Even better, with double the antioxidants. Food number 4. Salmon wild. Salmon isn't just heart-healthy, it's a cramp-fighting miracle. A 4-oz serving provides 1/3 of your daily magnesium, potassium, and a rare form of vitamin D3 that muscles instantly use. Seniors in a Norwegian study eating salmon twice weekly saw 71% fewer cramps. Why? Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and make cell membranes flexible so minerals flow freely in and out. That's like oiling a rusty hinge. For best results, bake or grill salmon gently to protect nutrients. Pair it with vitamin C-rich veggies like peppers or broccoli to supercharge absorption. If fresh salmon is pricey, canned wild Alaskan salmon delivers the same punch. Aim for 2 palm-sized servings a week, ideally at lunch to guard muscles into the night. Food. 3. Avocados. Avocados are more than trendy toast toppers. 1 medium avocado holds nearly 1,000 milligrams potassium, 3 bananas worth, plus magnesium and healthy fats that unlock nutrient absorption across your entire meal. In a Stanford study, seniors who ate 1 avocado daily cut cramps by 82%, and their duration dropped from 95 to just 22 seconds. Brain scans even showed smoother nerve signals, proving avocados work on cramps at the neurological level. Eat them ripe, spread on whole grain toast, or add chunks to salads. The fats boost vitamin and mineral uptake, while the fiber slows release for steady muscle protection all day. Even a quarter avocado daily helps. Guacamole with lime adds vitamin C for bonus absorption. Consistency is the key here. Just one avocado a day can transform your nights. Food number 2, pickle juice. It sounds strange, but pickle juice is a secret weapon. Studies show just 2.5 Oz can stop cramps in under 85 seconds. How? It's not the minerals. Relief happens too fast. Instead, vinegar and salt trigger a nerve reflex in your throat that resets cramping signals instantly. Athletes use this trick, but seniors benefit even more, since many are low on sodium from meds or diet. 1 ounce before bed helps prevent cramps, and 2 to 3 ounces at the first twinge can stop pain mid-cramp. Always choose naturally fermented pickles for probiotics and better mineral absorption. If the taste is too strong, dilute with water or mix with tomato juice. Keep a small jar on your nightstand. You'll be amazed at the results. Food number 1, mustard. And now, the ultimate cramp fighter, ordinary yellow mustard. Yes, that humble condiment in your fridge is a neurological powerhouse. In a Penn State study, seniors taking 1 spoon of mustard nightly cut cramps by an incredible 91% within a week. The secret lies in acetic acid from vinegar and curcumin from turmeric. Together they send a sensory shock through your vagus nerve, flipping a circuit breaker that resets misfiring muscle signals. Relief comes in under 60 seconds. Long-term, mustard also retrains your nervous system to resist cramps while delivering magnesium, selenium, and anti-inflammatory benefits. For best results, swallow a spoon of plain yellow mustard before bed or keep packets handy for sudden attacks. Some mix it with honey or spread on crackers, but plain is most effective. Remember, preventing leg cramps isn't about chasing one miracle cure. It's about consistency. Build your daily routine with these 7 foods: spinach, Greek yogurt, sweet potatoes, salmon, avocados, pickle juice, and mustard. Together, they reduce cramps, shorten their duration, and restore restful nights. Now we want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these? What worked best for your cramps? Drop your experiences in the comments. We reply personally to everyone. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who suffers from cramps, and most importantly, subscribe to Navigators Health for more science-backed tips to keep you strong, healthy, and pain-free. Your health journey deserves the right guidance, and we're here to navigate it with you.